Bakit? Mahanap ang kalito.
Ay ba daw, good morning dyan. Di kasi ni Mara magkapot. Sumbre.
Ayaw pag nilambiri. Pamati ka mo.
Para naka-video man niya eh. Hindi naka-camera. Naka-video.
Choose the correct answer and circle only the letter. But then yung question. Letter A is letter B la. And letter A multiple choice and letter B problem solving.
Camera.
A moving bus has a momentum.
Naka-video.
It moves twice as fast its momentum is. A moving bus has a momentum. It moves twice as fast. Its momentum is letter A, 1/2 of its original momentum. Letter B, the same. Letter C, twice as much. Letter D, difficult to determine.
Mani, pag-aanong pipi. Matila ka mo. Bahala na.
A moving bus has a momentum. It moves twice as fast. Its
Totoo ba na?
momentum is 1/2 of its original momentum. The same, twice as much. Difficult to determine.
Madali. Maano mo daw siya. Uy, Mark! Mark!
Off the highway,